Good day to everyone. This is Teacher Jonathan, and today I'll be teaching you another lesson in Mathematics 8. This is another way of writing equation of a line. So we have what we call the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form can be written in the equation y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope of a line and b is the y-intercept of the given line. Now, let us have the example on how are we going to apply this formula y is equal to mx plus b. We have here example number 1. Suppose the given slope is positive 2 or 2 and the line passes through the point 0, 8. Now, as you can see, when we say 0, 8, this is a point along the y-axis. It can be found if you're going to plot it in a coordinate system. So how are we going to create or write an equation using this y is equal to mx plus b? So all you have to do is to write first the formula y is equal to mx plus b. Now all you have to do is to substitute m and b. How? So this is the way. So the answer for this one will be y is equal to, the value of m is 2, followed by the variable x, and then since we have the abscissa is 0 and the ordinate is 8, you are just going to copy the second number, which is 8. So that is positive 8, so you have to put plus 8. Okay, so there you go. This will be the equation for this slope is 2 and coordinate 0, 8. Now, if you are going to ask me how am I going to put this or write this into standard form, that is very easy, because all you have to do is to transpose 2x from right side to left side. So this will become negative 2x plus y is equal to 8. So this will be the standard form now. Now, if you're gonna ask me what is the difference between the two equations, this is the example of slope-intercept form, and this is the example of standard form. Now let's proceed to question or example number 2. We have the slope is negative 3 and b is equal to negative 6. So the answer for this one is, all you have to do is to write y, write the slope, which is negative 3, write the variable x, and since the given here, the value for b is negative 6, so you have to put it negative 6. So there you go. This is the slope-intercept form for the slope negative 3 and y-intercept negative 6. Now let's try to write it in a standard form. All you have to do is to transpose the negative 3x from right side to left side. So it will become positive 3x plus y is equal to negative 6. Now this is the standard form, or ST, or SF should I say. Now let's proceed to the last example. We have the slope is equal to 2/3 and the value for b is 1/3. Okay, so let's write the equation using the y is equal to mx plus b. Let's write y first. Substitute the value for m, which is 2/3, x, and the value for b is positive 1/3, so that will become plus 1/3. Okay, so there you go. This is the slope-intercept form for the slope 2/3 and a y-intercept 1/3. Now let's try to write it into a standard form. So as you can see, this is a fraction, right? So before we can proceed to to the process of writing in a standard form, we have to at least remove the denominator first. How? So this is how are going to do with it. We have to multiply it by 3, or the reciprocal of the denominator 3, which is 3 also. And using the distributive property of multiplication, we can multiply it for every term. So 3 times y, that will give you 3y. And 3 multiplied by 2/3 x, you have to remove 3 only, and that will give you 2x. And 3 multiplied by 1/3, that will become, just cancel out 3, that will become +1 only. Okay, now I think we can now transform this into standard form by simply putting 2x from right side to left side. So it will become negative 2x plus 3y is equal to +1. So this is the standard form. And of course, this is the slope-intercept form. I hope I was able to give you an idea on how to write a slope-intercept form using the formula y is equal to mx plus b. Thank you.